Hey, hi, hello, it's me, Linnea, and I'm about to edit the video that you all are going to watch, and I realized I did not do an intro at all. So, if you're new here, hi, my name is Linnea. This is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do all kinds of fun recipes. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, hello. Welcome back. Missed you. Hope you had a great weekend. In this video, I did Taco Bell Mexican pizzas, and I can confirm that they were very good. I'm not the biggest fan of ground beef tacos, but these are really good. I can't tell you the last time I actually had a Mexican pizza from Taco Bell. So I can't tell you if it tastes the same, but I can tell you it tastes really good. So I'm gonna stop yapping, and you guys can just get to watching the Mexican pizza video. All right, let's go. Okay, I have a pound of ground beef cooking over here, and it looks like I'm only gonna be able to do 2 Mexican pizzas at a time, but that's okay. There's only 2 of us, so that's really all we need. The directions say to add 1 layer of refried beans to the bottom tortilla, so that's what we're gonna do. It didn't say to heat these up, so I did not heat them up. We're just going on with some beans. It doesn't even say like how much beans. It just says a layer. So that's what we're doing. All right, I have this ground beef cooked, and to this I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of red enchilada sauce. It says to add about 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna kind of pour some in. And then it says to add a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of ground beef to the tops of these. I'm gonna make mine, which is this one right here. I'm gonna make it with less ground beef because I am not a massive fan of ground beef. So yeah, that's good enough for me. I'll add a little more to Jonathan's because he likes ground beef. And I'm gonna add a layer of cheese. Also, I think I've only ever had the Taco Bell Mexican pizza one time in my life, and it was by mistake. I got someone else's order. Right now, I realize that my tortillas are not perfectly round and they're not perfectly the same, but it's because I made them. So now I'm gonna add some enchilada sauce. Like push this down a little bit so it doesn't all run out. There we go. More cheese. And then I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I'll probably bake them for 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll top them with some delicious goodies. The only thing I did not get is green onion, but I have regular onion, so that'll be fine. John put real Taco Bell fire sauce on his because we have a whole stash. And Calvin's gonna drink water right now.
Yeah, good.
I honestly, I think I mentioned this. I've only had Taco Bell Mexican pizza one time, so I don't really know what it's supposed to taste like.
Yeah, it's been forever.
Have you, like, does it taste good?
It tastes good. I mean,
I don't know if it tastes like what it's supposed to taste like, because it's...
I don't remember what it's supposed to taste like.
Yeah, I don't either. But as long as it tastes good, then that's all that matters. The only thing I forgot is green onion. It's so sad.
Well.
But I cut up real regular onion. And Calvin's been drinking this entire time, so if that's what... Well...
That's where he normally drinks until there's nothing left.
Yeah, he was a little bit afraid of his fountain today for weird reasons. I don't know. He's kind of a weird dog. Anyway, would you ask for this again? Do you like the homemade tortillas?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best part, right? Anyway, you know what would make it better? Garden tomatoes. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video. I think I know what it's going to be, but I'm not going to say anything yet. So, okay. We'll see you guys next video. Goodbye!